let us see the law of supply. Law of demand we have already seen, and let us see the law of supply. Law of supply is associated with the production analysis. It explains the positive relationship between the price of a commodity and the supply of that commodity. Demand implies the opposite, that is inverse relationship, negative relationship between the commodity and the price. But the law of supply implies the positive relationship between the commodity, price of the commodity, and the supply of that commodity. For example, if the price of the cloth increase, the supply of the cloth will also increase. The price of the cloth increase, the supply of the cloth also increase. The law of supply can be stated. Law of supply describes a direct relationship between the price of a commodity and the supply of that good. Law of supply can be stated that other things remain the same. Other things, அதாவது எந்தெந்த மற்றதெல்லாம் மாறாது. அதாவது சப்ளை ஆஃப் த கமாடிட்டியும் ப்ரைஸ் ஆஃப் த கமாடிட்டி மட்டும்தான் சேஞ்ச் ஆகுது. மற்ற கேரக்டரிஸ்டிக்ஸில் எந்த விதமான சேஞ்சஸும் கிடையாது. Other things remaining the same. If the price of the commodity increases, its quantity supplied increases. If the price of the commodity decreases, the quantity supplied also decreases. So this will imply the positive relationship between the price of the commodity and the supply of the commodity. And the supply function. Supply of a commodity depends upon the factors such as price of the commodity only, price of the labor, price of the capital, the state of technology, number of firms, price of related goods, and future price expectations, and so on. The supply of the commodity depends upon so many characters. Price of the factors, price of the commodity, price of the labor, price of capital, the state of technology, number of firms, price of related goods, future price expectation. Mathematically, the supply function can be expressed as QS. That quantity supply is equal to function of P of X, price of goods, P of R, related goods, price of related goods, P of future expectation, and taste, and then state of technology, then anything, then quantity supplied of a commodity. அதை கீழே கொடுத்துருக்காங்க பாருங்கள். ஒவ்வொன்றுக்கும் உங்களுக்கு மீனிங் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. PX price of commodity, PR price of related goods, PF prices of factors of production, T technology, O objective of the producer, E expected price of the commodity. What are the assumptions of law of supply? Law of supply is based on the following assumptions. There is no change in the price of the factors of production. There is no change in the price of capital goods. Natural resources and their availability remaining the same. Price of substitutes are constant. There is no change in technology. Climate remains unchanged. Political situations remain unchanged. There is no change in tax policy. So these are the assumptions followed in law of supply. Suppose the supply function is QS is equal to factor of P, or Q is equal to 20P. P is an independent variable. When its value changes, new values of Q quantity supplied can be calculated. Supply schedule கொடுத்துருக்காங்க பாருங்க. Supply schedule shows the different quantities of supply at different prices. அதாவது இது ஒரு பாசிட்டிவ் ரிலேஷன்ஷிப்பாக சொல்லுது. அதாவது ப்ரைஸ் 1 2 3 4 5 6 அப்படின்னு கூடிக்கிட்டே போகுது. அதே மாதிரி சப்ளை ஆஃப் குவான்டிட்டி ஆல்சோ இன்க்ரீஸ்டு 20 40 60 80. So this implies the positive relationship between the price of the commodity and the supply of the commodity. And next, quantity is equal to 20. Quantity is equal to 20P. And supply curve பற்றி பார்க்க போகிறோம். The supply curve represents the data given in the supply schedule. அதாவது ப்ரைஸ் 1 இருக்கும்போது சப்ளை 20 இருக்குது. பார்த்தீங்களா, ப்ரைஸ் 1 இருக்கும்போது சப்ளை 20 இருக்குது. price 1 supply 20, price 2 அப்படின்னா supply 40, price 3 supply 60, price 4 supply 80, price 5 supply 100. So the supply curve also move upward direction from x-axis to y-axis, from left to right. The quantum of supplied commodity X is represented on x-axis, price is y-axis. The points such as E, D, C, B, O and A on the supply curve SS represent various quantities at different prices. ஸோ சப்ளை கர்வ் வந்து எப்படி உங்களுக்கு மூவ் ஆகுதுன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அப்வர்டு டைரக்ஷனில் போகுது. அப்வர்டு டைரக்ஷன் ஃப்ரம் லெஃப்ட் டு ரைட். ஸோ த law of supply curve, the position of the law of supply curve implies the positive relationship between the price and the quantity.